The event here today is all about gardening, and we've got Terry Walton from BBC Radio 2 joining us to give handy tips and demonstrations on how to look after your garden, planting and looking after allotments.
I'm here to actually give people ideas of what to do in these. They bought a new house, they want to do the garden, they want to make it look colourful. So I'm here to give a series of demonstrations from simple hanging baskets to pots and whatever they need to know around their garden to make it look wonderful and beautiful and enhance their outdoor living space.
It was lovely meeting Terry today. We were very surprised that he took the time to come and look at our garden. It was very nice for him to congratulate us on what we've done to it.
The thing I've enjoyed most today is meeting Terry after listening to him on the radio, and because we've got a new allotment, he's just given us some really sound, solid advice. We've had a look at the show homes. Particular favourite in both houses is the lovely kitchen with a family sort of sitting area. I think in both houses they're really stunning.
We live in a Redrow, Cambridge house, and we particularly chose that for the size of the lounge downstairs, the open plan kitchen we like, and it's got a lovely master bedroom ensuite, and we just fell in love with it.
Everyone that's visited today has thoroughly enjoyed themselves. They've picked up some really good tips and everyone's just had a fantastic time today.